What is up, YouTube? It is early once again, so I have another video. So I'm Brad with Uncommon Careers, and in this video, you can make some extra money for this. So here it is. Phone repair. Honestly, it's pretty simple. Somebody drops a phone, you fix it, charge them for the screen, the repair, your time, boom, extra money right there. And honestly, I've done iPhone repairs myself. First time I ever did it probably took about 45 minutes because I was looking at a video while I was doing it. And the next time, maybe about 30. Time after that, 10 or 15. So I kind of got the hang of it. Now I don't even need to really see a video. I can do it now. Because I used to work in IT and that was what I was doing. But all you have to do is look at a YouTube video, learn how to do it, and there you go. And it doesn't even necessarily have to be an iPhone. It could be an Android, a Pixel, anything. If you learn how to, repair a phone, you could potentially save someone money, time for having to ship it back, and just a headache. And that could be either a side income for you, or heck, you get busy enough, you could actually do this full time. It could turn into that. There shouldn't be any excuse like, oh, I don't know how to do that. Okay, cool, but you can still learn how to do anything you want to do. So make no excuses here. You can do this as a hobby, as a business, side income, however you want to put it. You can make some kind of money doing this. And it's just some tips, info for you. So please, hopefully you like the video. Subscribe. I'm gonna have plenty more of these coming up. And peace.